Hey, it's Diego with Things You Develop. Today I'm talking about a company that's been on my radar for a long while now. The company's called Rezivot. The brand concept is combining technology and craftsmanship while still keeping the spirit of the past alive. This company does have products for 4x5 cameras, but we're going to focus on the instant camera stuff. So today I'm talking about the kits that are available right now, some that are available for pre-order, and some that will be available in the near future. So yeah, check it out. The first items that I'm talking about are the ones that are currently available. They are the Mamiya RB67 and the Mamiya Universal / Polaroid 600 SE. For both of these items, you will need an Impossible Project Instant Lab. This conversion kit makes it possible to retrofit the Instant Lab to either the Mamiya or Polaroid, allowing you to shoot Polaroid film on either of those cameras. This expands your horizons as a photographer because you no longer have to pay for expensive FP100C. And the Instant Lab has a dark slide, so you can pull that back if you needed to shoot the desired format that you want. So you can take instant proofs to have with you, so it's pretty cool. If you'd watched my previous videos, I highly talked about this company. They're very responsive and really good about their work. I haven't got mine actually done with them yet, but it was on my summer update video. I just never got around to actually doing it. Now, for the item that's available for pre-order, they do also make a Mamiya RZ67 conversion kit with the Instant Lab. This item will be limited to 300 units. You can check out their Instagram just if you want to see some more pictures. I definitely try to show as much as I can, but there's tons of stuff that I'm definitely not covering that they either do on their Instagram or their website. I'll definitely link them down below. And just to wrap it up here, this is some of the future plans. Polaroid had announced their own Polaroid lab, which is basically version 2 of the Instant Lab by Impossible. This is really good news because the older Impossible Project labs were getting very scarce to find here in the States, so having another option or another outlet to purchase these will be great for conversions for the future. I'm going to link everything down below, whether it's their website or their Instagram, so you can check it out for yourself. I highly recommend it because they're a really cool company, and they're definitely up on the rise with all the cool stuff and concepts that they have, so yeah. If you haven't already, make sure to check out my Instagram, Aim Shoot Develop, just like the YouTube channel. I definitely post daily on instant stuff, whether it's box type cameras, you can see some converted cameras, or just some cool stuff that I got going on, whether it's with the YouTube channel or just in general. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. I have tons of videos talking about things and projects, not just with instant film, but 35mm film and applications that mimic 35mm film. So definitely check it out. I have tons of stuff coming. You can check the dates. They're pretty consistent on posting. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Keep shooting film. Take care. Peace.